I'm just outside of the Indian Museum here in Kolkata, and I'm about to sample one of the famous Bengali snacks.
So you put the rice?
Rice, nuts, chili, lemon, onion,
Chili, lemon, onion.
pickle, mustard oil,
Oh,
anything,
mustard oil also.
anyway. Spicy?
Spicy, yes.
Oh, I see.
15ครับยิ่ง
So good.
Yeah, thank you.
So most welcome.
Oh, and then you.
Jhal Muri, and it's like puffed rice and some nuts and some fried little things, and he puts it into that metal, like a little metal bowl, and stirs it up with chili and lime juice and coriander and onions. And so this is like a very famous Bengali snack on the streets. I got the 15 rupee bag. It's like yeah, it's like a snacker's delight right here. It's pretty good. Oh, got a chili in that bite. That's wonderful. Spicy and salty, and it's a good little muncher's snack right here.